With this key tool, you can unlock the full potential of your content marketing plan and create meaningful engagement, increase conversion rates, and keep customers longer. In this age of user-generated, human-generated, and machine-generated material, it's getting more expensive to make mistakes and harder to bounce back from. Content marketers need to change how they do things or go the way of the dinosaurs in the highly competitive creator economy of today and the future. High-effect content marketing shows how to be successful by taking a simple but strategic approach to standing out and driving revenue. It talks about tried and true ways to make video, audio, social media, and longer form material that people actually want to watch, listen to, or read, and how to do that in a way that is truly inclusive. It also shows how to master content distribution across channels like websites, blogs, email, and social media networks to maximize reach, engagement, and effect. What makes high-impact content marketing unique is how it develops in behavioral science and adult learning principles to maximize and measure impact. It has easy-to-use frameworks and step-by-step guides throughout, as well as examples of best-in-class content marketing from companies like Patagonia, Microsoft, Spotify, and Google, as well as talks with top industry experts from around the world. Also included is advice on how to match material to the different stages of the customer journey. This is an important plan for making sure that your content marketing strategy will work in the long run to raise brand recognition, build relationships, and increase conversions. There are 11 chapters in the book, and each one talks about a different part of content marketing. Chapter 1: Introduction. In the beginning, Virgie gives an outline of the book and talks about how content marketing works. She also gives an overview of what the book will be about. Chapter 2: The Foundations of Content Marketing. This chapter talks about the basics of content marketing, like how important it is to know your target group, make a content strategy that fits with your goals, and measure how well your content marketing is working. Chapter 3: Understanding your audience. Virgie talks about how to know your audience by making buyer personas, doing market research, and getting comments from customers. Chapter 4: Creating intentional content. This chapter explores how to create intentional content that resonates with one's target audience. Virgie gives advice on how to make a content plan that fits your brand and your goals. Chapter 5: Writing for the Web. Virgie talks about how to write for the web by making short, clear, and easy-to-read material. She gives advice on how to optimize content for search engines and make content that everyone can read. Chapter 6: The Power of Visuals. This chapter looks at the power of visuals in content marketing, including how to use images, videos, and other visual elements to tell an engaging brand story. Chapter 7: Storytelling through content. Virgie shows how to make a successful content marketing plan by telling stories. She gives advice on how to make a story that is real, emotional, and easy to remember. Chapter 8: Amplifying your content. This chapter talks about how to reach your target audience through social media, email marketing, and other methods to spread your content. Virgie gives tips on how to make a delivery plan that makes content marketing work as well as possible. Chapter 9: Influencer Marketing. Virgie shows how to build a successful content marketing strategy by using influencer marketing. She gives advice on how to find the right influencers for a brand and how to make relationships that are real and work. Chapter 10: Measuring the Success of Content Marketing. This part talks about how to figure out how well content marketing is working. Virgie gives advice on how to set goals, track data, and measure how content marketing affects the growth of a business. Chapter 11: Conclusion. In the end, Virgie summarizes the main points of the book and stresses how important it is to make content marketing strategies that are purposeful, interesting, and successful. She also gives advice on how to get started with content marketing and how to make a successful brand that speaks to your target group. Thanks for watching our Amazon book review. If you found our review helpful and you're interested in checking it out for yourself, we've included a link to it in the description below. By clicking on that link, you'll not only get more details about it on Amazon, but also support our channel at no cost to you. So go ahead and click that link to grab your copy of the book and dive into an exciting reading journey. Happy reading, and thanks for your support.